Khubor ka Batesi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka net foodish ordar mapi minwan ra mangi hakir dog ying jongpi.
Today in the cabinet we have decided on some issues. The number one is the cabinet has approved the amendment of the Nuclear Public Security Agency Rule. So this Nuclear Security Agency Rules 2021 has been approved by the Cabinet. These rules are necessitated due to the fact that the central government in December 2020 brings out the model rules for all over the country. So we have rules, previous rules, so there is a need to bring out the new rules. But since there are so many changes, so we have decided to bring out a new rules altogether, which called the Nuclear Private Security Agency Rules 2021. Number two, the Honorable Cabinet has approved the proposal to restructure the Special Force 10 SF-10 and the amendment of Nuclear Special Force Amendment Rules 2016. So we know that the strength of the SF-10 approved by the Cabinet is 1,754. And the actual strength as of now is 1,387. So we want to restructure in such a way that 905 will remain in SF-10 and the rest we could transfer to the district or to any outpost or SDO as the case may be. So these also both the rules and the restructuring have been approved by the Cabinet. Number three is the establishment, the establishment of Directorate of Dairy Development. And number four is amendment of India Stamp on duty by means of this stamping rules 2020. This has been approved by the Cabinet. After observing the situation all over the state, then the government, the Home Police has, in order to maximize the productivity, to maximize the use of resources in the state. So, and considering that the resource of the state to augment the availability of personnel in different outposts, police station or district, so that's why the Home Police has brought this Cabinet memo, which will be approved by the Cabinet. Police station, then it will surely help in combating the crime of the everyday crime which happen all over the state. As I mentioned to you, that as of now, 1,387 SF-10 out of the total sanctioned strength of 1,754, which the Cabinet has approved to restructure into 905. So we have a balance of 482 SF-10. So this 482, we could transfer to different districts for the better policing in different parts of the district of the state. The reason is that now we have seen that, if you remember, that this SF-10 was established purposely to see the overall law and order in the state regarding the militancy and also the disaster management and all. And we have seen that regarding disaster management, the review and the disaster management have their own people to man And we have seen that with this reduce in militancy all over the state, so there is a need to restructure this SF10 so that maximum benefit will be right by using this same personnel in the other district to cope this other crime which happen from time to time. Today we have only the since the CM is on the virtual presence, and after that I think tomorrow in evening we will have a review meeting on the current situation.
And nothing was discussed the situation, how it was addressed?
Nothing was discussed. We will discuss tomorrow. We only have the data. They only need the data. Then tomorrow we'll study what is the need forward to do forward. In the coming days. Thank you.
Thank you.
Out of this 905, which will remain as SF10, 183 will be in SF10 headquarters, 361 in a tactical base in Eastern Range, which will be established in 1st LP between Maoyong, and 361 in a tactical base in Western Range, which will be established in 2nd MLP Battalion Gore Grade. So this 905 will be spread will be stationed in these 3 locations. And from now onwards, the one is very important point is that all the entry into this SF10 will be a lateral entry from any wing of the police, maybe from battalion or from other wing of the nuclear police. You know, the police personnel, even the police personnel affected by COVID. I didn't have how many of them, but there are some. So the police have taken all the necessary measures to see that they are protected, and if there is anybody who has been contacted, honestly SOP as prescribed by the Department of